at Texas on the Queensland-New South Wales border, and we've been camping on a private property, and I did a bit of exploring and I found something pretty cool that not everybody has seen in this really old tank on its side next to a windmill. Let's have a look. I'm just going to go in because it's really hard to see. Come in here, you can see these mud like bottle shaped nests, and they are from a fairy martin, which is a tiny little bird 13 centimetres long. And these birds fly here all the way from Indonesia and Papua New Guinea to breed every year, and they make these nests from these little mud pellets that they make, and it's actually a little dam just near here, so that's where they'd get the mud from. Yeah, and they make these big bottle nests. This one's quite extensive. Apparently they can sometimes only be a few nests, and they've even been recorded up to 700 hollows in some places where they come year after year. But I've read apparently when they've left to go back to Indonesia, which they have now because it's April, that microbats often take over their hollows, which is pretty cool. So all sorts of little microbats often use these hollows after. They're so cool. So in here they're protected, but they apparently also make them in tree hollows, pipes, things like that. But nothing's going to disturb them here. Anyway, thought it was pretty cool. Pretty cool.